Alright guys, I'm not going to be able to get the electric inspected while I'm home this time. And my wife, she kind of wants to know how the outside of the house is going to look. I do too. So I'm going to start putting up some of the siding we went and got the other day. Kind of excited about it. Anyways, we got Versetta stone for the bottom half, and then hardy board for the rest of it. I'm going to try to get some of that Versetta stone up today. It looks awesome. In the package it does. We'll see how it looks on the house. I've done put a starter strip down. I'm not going to go all, well, if you'll, okay, you can see my starter strip right there. I'm not going to go all the way to the back of the house because it's going to be covered up by dirt, most of it. So I'm just doing what's not going to be covered up by dirt. So that's where we're at. I'm going to tack that thing down a little bit more, that starter strip, and we'll get started on it. Alright, it's got a ledge right here. It'll fit into that. This drip pan has some holes cut in the bottom so the water can run out. This flange comes off the back side of this Versetta stone. That way when you nail to it, there's a water gap, or a gap, air gap, so water can roll off. Probably just gonna have to make nail holes for that. There's not a nail hole that lines up with these strips, so I'm just nailing through the little sheet metal there. Let me try to get one more in there. All right, that's row one, or block one. They just butt up. There's, I forget how many different types of patterns they have. So the odds of you putting two of them together that is the same, virtually impossible. Possible, but virtually impossible. Let's see. That's beautiful. I'm just using roofing tacks. Ooh. Now, I'm doing over the window of what will be my wife's son's room. What I'm planning on doing is have a retaining wall that comes up to here. It'll start just about where the camera is, actually about 2.5, 3 feet this way, and then come up to here. And that's why I'm not worried about this part right here. Put a retaining wall, probably use some Versa locks, great little way to kind of match this. That, I like how they lock together. They hold good. I'll come in, put a trench, do that. It'll come up to here. Like I said, I was just wanting y'all to know why I'm not doing this part right here. That's about it. I'm going to go ahead and call it the video. I got a little bit more work to do. I'm not going to do any more up there. Almost fell. I'm not going to do no more up there for today. I will finish it out eventually, but I need to wait until my wife's home. That way she can hold the ladder for me. She's at work right now. I'm going to do a little bit of work over on the side. Y'all have done seen me do that. No sense of videotaping a whole bunch of it. If you would, like, subscribe, share it, put a comment in the underneath what you think about the Versetta stone. Stay healthy, and God bless.